Hi everyone,
We're at Ouareau National Park.
and which trail we're doing today?
We're at the Secteur Massif doing the trail Boucle de la Croix, something like
That's
that.
like 2.5 kilometers.
Yeah, it's a little boucle. It's not near a lake, but I think it's not the one we did last time.
Yeah, okay, let's do it, and we'll keep you guys posted. Rained a lot last night, so it's very muddy, but it'll be okay. No big deal. And she's cold as usual. What's the temperature right now?
I think it might be 14.
It's like plus 14 Celsius.
But it's damp and there's no sun.
Yeah, no sun and it's very humid. Yeah, that's true. All right, we've made it. Oh, it's windy.
We made it to the top.
It's very nice. Yeah, it's so peaceful. I don't think many people come to these trails.
Well,
It's very quiet.
maybe just not today. I mean, it's still early summer.
Yeah, we haven't seen anyone.
And I'm
What's for
hungry.
lunch?
The tofu, mushroom, onion, and carrot.
Nice. Vegetarian. Veggie stuff. All right, let's go have lunch.